Hey, hello, and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's say today's problem, count pairs with given sum. Okay, so what the problem is saying is we'll be given an array air and an integer target. Okay, so we have to find number of pairs in the array which sums up to given target. Okay, for example, what is the array here? Let's quickly see the example array 1, 5, 7, minus 1, 5. Okay, and the given target is what? The given target is 6. Now we want to find the count of all the pairs, okay, whose sum equals the given target. Okay, so what are those pairs? So one is one. What is the target? Target is 6, and the pair is one of the pair is 1 and 5. 1 and 5, right? Whose sum equals, right? Whose sum equals 6, right? Again, there's one more 5. So we have to consider this pair as well. There's 1 and 2 5s, right? So we have to consider this pair as well. Then we have another pair is 7 and minus 1. 7 minus 1 will give us 6. Okay. So these are three pairs whose sum equals the target 6. Okay. So I hope you have got the problem. Okay. Now, how can we solve this problem? So today it's like the extension of yesterday's problem. Okay. Today's problem is an extension of yesterday's problem. So we'll directly come to the approach. Okay. How we're going to solve this problem. Okay. So let's quickly see. So what we're going to do is we are going to take a map. Okay. A map of key value pair. Now key will be the number, okay, the elements, right? And the value will be the frequency of that element into the array. Okay. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we come across 1, right? And what we're going to do is, we are going to take a difference, diff equal to target minus num. Num is what? Num is the element in the array. Okay. So what is that? Target is 6, num is 1, which is 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to check whether this difference is it part of this map? Is it present in the map? No, it is not. No, it is not. So what we're going to do simply, now the next step would be to insert this 1 into this hash map with the frequency 1, Okay. Then we are going to proceed ahead. Okay, we're going to proceed ahead and we're going to check here. Okay, we're going to check here. Now, what are we going to do again? Target, which is 6, num, which is 5, and difference is 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, so we're going to check. Is 1 present in the map? Yes, it is present. So what we're going to do? We're going to maintain a count variable, which is initially it is going to be 0. Since we have found 1, right? We're going to take the frequency of the 1, okay, which is value. We're going to take the frequency and we are going to add up in the count. Okay. Okay. Next. So now, before going to the next element, we're also going to ingest or insert this 5 into the map. Okay, 5 with the frequency 1. Now we're going to go to the next element. Okay, we're going to check for 7. So what are we going to do? Target is 6 minus 7 will give us minus 1. Is minus 1 part of map? No, it is not. No, it is not. So what are we going to do? We're going to insert this 7 into the map. Okay, into the map. 7 and 1. 7 and 1. Okay, with the frequency 1. Then next we proceed ahead. We get number as minus 1. What are we going to do? Target is 6 minus of minus 1, right? Right? Minus of minus 1, which gives us 6 plus 1, which gives us 7. So what are we going to do? We're going to check this number. We're going to check this difference into this map. Yes, it is present. We're going to take the frequency of this 7, right? And we're going to add up in the count, which becomes 2 now. And also, the last step would be to ingest minus 1 into the map with the frequency 1. Okay. Next, we come to 5. Number 5, we're going to check target is what? 6. Okay, target is 6 minus 5, which gives us what? 6 minus 5, which gives us 1, right? 1. Okay, the number is 5. Okay, so we're going to check this difference of complement into the map. Yes, it is present. So we're going to take the frequency again, which is 1, and we're going to add up in the count. Okay, and also we are going to add 5. 5 is now already here, right? Is already here. So we're just going to increment the frequency, which will be 2. Okay, okay. And that's it. We have processed all the elements, and whatever is the count, we're going to return that, okay, into the output. Okay, I hope you've got the intuition. Now let's go and code. Okay, before going to the code, I'll just request you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Let's quickly, I had solved this. I'll just reset it again and let's solve it again. Okay, so what are you going to do? As discussed, we're going to take a map. So first I'll show the Java code followed by C++, integer comma integer, map equal to new hash map. Okay. Now next, what we're going to do? We're going to iterate through the elements. Okay. And we are going to take a complement or difference, you can say, whatever. Let's name it complement. Okay. Target minus the num. Now we're going to check if this complement is it present in the map as discussed, right? Contains key complement. If it contains, that means we have found a pair. And then what we're going to do, we are also going to have a variable int count equal to 0. So count plus equal to map dot get complement. What does this mean is we are fetching the frequency of the complement of that number of the difference. Okay. And we are adding up in the count. Okay. That's it. And then what we're going to do at the last step also, we are going to ingest or insert that particular number, right? The num into the map. Okay. The num into the map. Map dot put num. Now it may be the case that the number is present in the map or it is not present in the map. So with one statement, we'll cover both. Okay. For example, if it is the number is not present, right? Then what we are saying is with get or default, if the number is not present, return 0. Okay. And if the number is present, return the frequency. And if the number is not present, return 0. And whatever the this get or default returns, just add 1 to the frequency and put it again into the map. Okay, with number and its frequency. Okay, so this is it. Let's return the count. Return count. Okay, let me compile this. Okay, we got some. That's good. What is the error? Complement. Okay, spelling typo. Okay, let's compile this. So let's quickly discuss the time complexity and space complexity as well. So let's submit this. So the time complexity, as you can see, we are iterating the array only once. So the time complexity is going to be O of n. And the space complexity, again, it is going to be O of n extra space because we are um, using this map. Okay, because we are using this map. Okay, so yes, so thanks for watching. Let's quickly see the C++ code as well. Okay, so here's the C++ code. Just one request to please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Let's quickly see. So we are iterating the array, right? And complement, we have already discussed this. If the complement is present in the map, take the frequency, add up into the count. Okay, and also add up in the and also add the number in the map. Okay, and return the count finally. Okay, so this is it. I'll attach the code in the description section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. I wish you a very happy, healthy, wealthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.